In this video, I will show you how you can withdraw money from Exness. So firstly, you need to open this dashboard. So if you are in terminal, you can also open it from here. You can click on those 9 dots, then personal area. From here, you want to choose my accounts on the left side under trading. And here you want to select from your real accounts for which you want to make withdraw. So let's say this one, and then click on withdraw next to it. Then you can choose your payment method. So you can choose from Neteller or Skrill. And if your account is verified, you can also transfer money between your accounts, or you can withdraw in cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron, USD, and that's pretty much it. So you just have to select your withdrawal method like Skrill. Then you want to choose currency. So let's say I want to withdraw in euros. And then here you need to select your account from which you want to withdraw money. Then you want to set amount. And then you want to continue, and you just want to log into your Skrill account. This is how you can withdraw money from Exness. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.